हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुडेज अवर टॉपिक इज़ फाइटोहार्मोन्स, जिन्हें कि हम प्लांट ग्रोथ रेगुलेटर्स भी कहते हैं। ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। इससे 4 से 5 क्वेश्चन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में ज़रूर आते हैं। फाइटोहार्मोन्स आर कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स ऑफ लो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट एंड विद इजी solubility. There is no specialized tissue or gland for their production. They are transported through conducting systems. Hormones exert dual control either by helping or inhibiting the process. They act at a site remote from their place of production. They act in very low concentration. They are not antigenic. Their actions are short-lived. They are not stored infinitely. They are destroyed and excreted as soon as the function is over. They influence the activity of a process but cannot initiate a process. मतलब प्रोसेस पर प्रभाव डालते हैं लेकिन किसी प्रोसेस को इनिशिएट नहीं करते. If phytohormones promote physiological processes, they are called plant growth promoters, such as auxins, gibberellins, and cytokinins. If they inhibit physiological processes, they are called plant growth inhibitors, such as ethylene and abscisic acid. Now, first we take the auxins. Auxins are also called root promoting hormones. The precursor of auxin is tryptophan, and zinc is responsible for the synthesis of auxin. It is important. Went isolated and named auxins from coleoptile tip. Cole and Hagen-Smith isolated auxin A from human urine. Thiemann isolated IAA, indole acetic acid, which is a natural auxin, from Rhizopus, Avena, coleoptile and other plants. IAA, IBA, indole acetic acid and indole butyric acid are natural occurring auxins, and NAA2,4-D is synthetic auxins. Now, role of auxins is in cell enlargement. In cell division and differentiation takes place. Auxin helps in root initiation and apical dominance. अगर क्वेश्चन एपिकल डोमिनेंस पर आता है तो उसका आंसर हमेशा ऑक्सिन ही होगा. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सीडलेस फ्रूट्स विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पार्थेनोकार्पी. ऑक्सिन्स ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज हर्बिसाइड्स एंड वीडीसाइड्स. 2,4-D also used as herbicide, which is also called Agent Orange. In feminization, that is, female flowers are produced on male plants. Breaking of dormancy and prevention of abscission. Auxins also promote phototropism and geotropism. Now, gibberellins. Gibberellins are also called germination promoting hormone. If question comes, what helps in germination? Answer is always gibberellin. The precursor of gibberellin is acetyl coenzyme A. The role of gibberellin is in seed germination. और सीड जर्मिनेशन के लिए अल्फा एमाइलेज सिंथेसिस जरूरी है. इन स्टेम इलोंगेशन, दैट इज इंटरनोड इलोंगेशन, जिब्रेलिन ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन इंटरनोड इलोंगेशन. ओवरकमिंग जेनेटिक ड्वार्फिज्म, इंडक्शन ऑफ मेलनेस, पार्थेनोकार्पी, एंड इट डिलेज senescence, that is aging effect. Induction of flowering, breaking dormancy, and in chilling treatment. Chilling treatment is also called as vernalization. The main gibberellins are GA1, GA2 and GA3. They are acidic in nature. Now we come to cytokinin. Cytokinins are also called shoot promoting hormones. The precursor of cytokinin is purine adenine. The role of cytokinin is in cell division and in morphogenesis. If high concentration of cytokinin takes place, then auxin differentiation of shoot takes place. If low concentration of cytokinin, then differentiation of root takes place. If intermediate concentration, then callus formation takes place. Cytokinin overcomes apical dominance, that is, it is opposite to auxin. Induction of femaleness, it retards senescence, which is also called Richmond-Lang effect. It retards abscission. Now ethylene, it is also called fruit ripening hormone. The precursor is amino acid methionine. The main function of ethylene is in fruit ripening. Induction of femaleness inhibits geotropism. It overcomes dormancy and enhances senescence and abscission. Now abscisic acid, which is also called stress hormone. The precursor is xanthophyll, violxanthin. It promotes abscission and senescence. It induces dormancy of seeds and buds. It causes stomatal closure, that is, act as an anti-transparent. And it inhibits flowering in long day plants. थैंक यू. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा और इसके क्वेश्चंस हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. थैंक यू.